Welcome back to the HSEbox.com channel. Slips, trips, and falls are common hazards in the workplace that can lead to serious injuries or even fatalities. It is important for employers and workers to be aware of the risks and take necessary precautions to reduce the risk of accidents. We will provide answers to 10 common questions related to slips, trips, and falls in the workplace, along with safety guidelines and best practices to prevent such incidents. Question number 1. What are the main causes of slips, trips, and falls in the workplace?
The main causes of slips, trips, and falls in the workplace include wet or slippery surfaces, uneven flooring, cluttered walkways, inadequate lighting, improper use of ladders or equipment, and wearing improper footwear. Other factors such as poor housekeeping, lack of signage, and failure to follow safety protocols can also contribute to these accidents.
Question number 2. What are some general guidelines to reduce the risk of slips, trips, and falls in the workplace?
To reduce the risk of slips, trips, and falls in the workplace, some general guidelines include: keep floors clean and dry, promptly clean up spills, and use warning signs or cones to indicate wet areas. Regularly inspect and maintain flooring, stairs, and walkways, and repair any defects or uneven surfaces. Keep walkways, aisles, and stairs clear of clutter, debris, and obstacles. Provide adequate lighting in all areas, especially in corridors, stairs, and parking lots. Train workers on proper use of ladders, equipment, and machinery, and ensure they use appropriate footwear. Install handrails on stairs, ramps, and elevated platforms, and ensure they are in good condition. Use slip-resistant mats, rugs, or coatings on slippery surfaces.
Question number 3. What should be considered when selecting footwear to prevent slips and falls in the workplace?
When selecting footwear to prevent slips and falls in the workplace, consider the following. Choose shoes with slip-resistant soles that provide good traction on various surfaces. Ensure that the shoes fit properly and have a snug grip on the feet to prevent tripping. Avoid wearing shoes with high heels or open-toe designs, as they may increase the risk of slips or injuries. Consider the type of work being performed and the specific hazards of the workplace when selecting footwear.
Question number 4. What are some best practices for ladder safety in the workplace?
To ensure ladder safety in the workplace, follow these best practices. Use the right type and size of ladder for the task, and inspect it for any defects or damage before use. Set up the ladder on a stable and level surface, and ensure it is properly positioned with all legs in contact with the ground or floor. Do not overreach or stand on the top rungs of the ladder. And maintain 3 points of contact, 2 feet and 1 hand, at all times. Avoid using ladders on slippery surfaces or in adverse weather conditions. Train workers on proper ladder use, including climbing and descending techniques, and how to handle materials while on a ladder.
Question number 5. What are some strategies for preventing slips and falls on stairs in the workplace?
To prevent slips and falls on stairs in the workplace, consider the following strategies. Ensure that stairs are designed and maintained to meet local building codes and safety standards. Install handrails on both sides of stairs, and ensure they are sturdy and graspable. Keep stairs clear of clutter, debris, or obstacles, and ensure that steps are even and have slip-resistant surfaces. Provide adequate lighting on stairs, and promptly repair any defects or damage. Train workers on proper stair use, including using the handrails, etc.
Question number 6. How important is housekeeping in preventing slips, trips, and falls in the workplace?
Housekeeping plays a crucial role in preventing slips, trips, and falls in the workplace. Good housekeeping practices include keeping floors and walkways clean, clear of debris, and well maintained. This includes promptly cleaning up spills, removing clutter, and properly storing tools and materials. Adequate housekeeping also involves regularly inspecting and maintaining flooring, stairs, and walkways, repairing any defects or uneven surfaces, and ensuring proper signage and warning indicators are in place.
Question number 7. What are some additional precautions to prevent slips, trips, and falls in outdoor areas of the workplace?
In outdoor areas of the workplace, additional precautions to prevent slips, trips, and falls include ensuring proper drainage to prevent standing water on walkways and parking lots, regularly inspecting and repairing any cracks, holes, or uneven surfaces on walkways and parking lots, providing adequate lighting in outdoor areas, especially during low light or adverse weather conditions, training workers on proper footwear for outdoor conditions, such as using slip-resistant shoes during rainy or icy weather.
Question number 8. How can employees be trained to prevent slips, trips, and falls in the workplace?
Employees can be trained to prevent slips, trips, and falls in the workplace through comprehensive training programs that cover identifying common hazards and risky behaviors that can lead to slips, trips, and falls, proper use of equipment, tools, and ladders, proper footwear selection and use, proper housekeeping practices, including cleaning up spills, removing clutter, and maintaining clear walkways, safe practices for walking, climbing stairs, and navigating different surfaces, reporting and addressing potential hazards or incidents promptly.
Question number 9. What should be done if a slip, trip, or fall occurs in the workplace?
If a slip, trip, or fall occurs in the workplace, it should be immediately reported to a supervisor or manager, and appropriate first aid or medical attention should be provided, if needed. The incident should be documented, and a thorough investigation should be conducted to identify the cause of the incident and take corrective measures to prevent future occurrences. Workers should also be reminded to report any hazards or near misses to prevent further incidents.
Question number 10. How often should workplace areas prone to slips, trips, and falls be inspected?
Workplace areas prone to slips, trips, and falls should be inspected regularly to identify and address potential hazards. The frequency of inspections may vary depending on the type of work being performed, the size and layout of the workplace, and the level of risk involved. High-risk areas such as stairs, walkways, and areas with frequent spills or high foot traffic may require more frequent inspections, while low-risk areas may require periodic inspections. It is important to establish a schedule for regular inspections and ensure that inspections are documented, and corrective actions are taken promptly.
In conclusion, slips, trips, and falls are common workplace hazards that can result in serious injuries. Following safety guidelines and best practices such as proper housekeeping, footwear selection, ladder safety, and employee training can significantly reduce the risk of such accidents in the workplace. Regular inspections, prompt reporting of hazards, and proper incident investigation and corrective measures are also crucial in preventing slips, trips, and falls in the workplace. Remember to always prioritize safety and take proactive measures to create a safe work environment for all employees. We hope that this video gives you a better understanding of health, safety, and the environment. If you have any queries, please leave a comment, and we would be glad to assist you. Check our website and our channel for more health, safety, and environmental topics. The link is in the description. Never forget health, safety, and environment are everyone's responsibility. Stay safe always. Bye-bye, see you in the next video.